Hi there, and welcome to Tammeron's Place. And as a special gift to every member who joins here with me at my retreat for spiritual growth, you have received a copy of my Inner Lights Prayer Journal. Now, you'll have noticed if you've actually opened your package already that it is a guided journal, which means these are very specific questions that I have created for you on the front page and on the back. So each day of the week, you're going to receive a little video created by me. And again, these videos are going to be very quick and to the point. However, the purpose of using your journal every single day is to create a deeper, more intimate connection with yourself. Many of us as spiritual seekers are truly longing for that deep soul connection. However, I honestly believe that if you take some time out with yourself every single day through the week, you're going to understand a deeper aspect of yourself and you will begin to blossom and you will begin to create a new way of connecting with other people. But the truth is, I think the nugget is to connect with yourself first. So I hope you enjoy this. Again, remember the videos are going to be very quick, and each single day I have a little surprise for you because we are connecting not only to yourself, but we are connecting to the entire universe. So stay tuned for your individual videos each single day. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.